Welcome back. It's art time class. Today I'm joined by Buddy the Bird, and we're going to be creating an inspirational poster together. Let's get started. To begin, today we're going to be using the Sketches app. That's this guy right here. If you don't already have this app installed on your device, you can go to self-service and search the word Sketches, and it's going to show up right here. Once you have that installed, go ahead and open it up. Over here is a list of the different tools and helpful tricks and tips on how to use them, along with how to use Sketches and learning about the app itself. And then if you really like this, you can get the Pro version, which does have some more options. We're going to be using just the basic options that they gave us. When you're ready to start sketching, click on this plus sign to create a folder. Here's my first folder I created. When I click on that colorful part of the folder, it's going to show off the sketches inside the folder. Here are my 2 practices that I've worked on already. Then you can also click on the plus sign to add a new sketch in your folder. Now, when you're making an inspirational poster, you want to think about a few words or a phrase that inspire you or inspire others. Like, I like to say, keep being creative at the end of my videos. So that's my inspirational phrase I'm going to use for my poster. Right away, I'm going to see a bunch of options over here. I recommend taking your time and playing around with these when you get a chance. You'll also see the size for your marks over here, and then the color choice for your mark is down here at the bottom as well. Let's go ahead and get started. I think I want to do like a blue sky. So let's start with a light blue color, and I'm going to tap to fill in that whole area. I could have also like dragged my finger around to fill in an area as well. Like I said, there's been some updates on this app, so there's a whole bunch of stuff we could do with this. Let's do like more sky over here. Just like layer it up. Okay. Ooh, not that one. So this arrow right here is the back button. I click on that to undo what I just did. Now I think I want to create some grass. Let's see here. Ooh, that's a really thin mark. Let's do this right here. It's hard to see. I can see it. Let's do a little darker green. Let's see this right here. Ooh, yes. Let's play with some more mark choices. I love how all these different tools have a different opacity depending on the type of tool that it is. So whether it's opaque, like you can't see through it at all, or it's transparent and it's like see-through, there's so many different things you can do with this. So right now I'm just adding in some grass. Paint, 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 la la la, let's make a bigger mark. Ooh, I like this. Now I know grass grows up, but when I make my mark going up, it starts skinny and gets thinner for this paintbrush style. So I'm going to do it coming down instead. I like. Now this whole area, I want to fill that in. Let's keep with our grass. I'll work my way down. Let's do a little lighter green. Layer that up. Ooh, yes. It's going to look more realistic because grass is like a whole bunch of little lines growing up. Let's do another shade of green. Whoops. Click on that. Let's open that back up. Okay, let's try this paintbrush. Ooh, this one's like super transparent. Fill this in down here. I'm not a big fan of going back and forth when it comes to grass. Always like up and down movements. I'm going to fill in this color here, and I'm going to go back with some up and down movements. What's this one do? Oh, this is like airbrush. Ooh, that's really cool. Okay, I think I want to do some more of this. I think this might be my favorite. Layer in a little bit of that dark green. All right, so so here I have my like little grassy area. I've got this little piece of grass sticking up right there. I'm going to use my eraser. That's not what I wanted. Let's go back. Maybe I just need to get this blue back and cover it up. Let's see. Oh, there we go. That's what I needed to do. Yay! Now, if you have something that you want to import or put in your picture, there's 3 little dots right up here. When I click on that, I want to think about an arrow going into my picture. So that square with the arrow going in is I want to bring in a picture. So I could take a photo, I could pick a photo, or I could pick a file. I'm going to pick one of my photos, my favorite Pokemon Eevee. Oh no, it's got the white background. Let me try that again. Let's do a different one. Because I know I've saved a photo that has a transparent, there it is, the transparent background Eevee. So let's put my little Eevee right here in the middle. Click plus. Now I want to put some grass on top because Eevee is standing in grass. And I really want to layer that. And when I layer some grass on top, it's going to look more realistic. Do some different pin marks. Yay! All right, so here I have my Eevee standing in grass, and I'm going to use this to type in. Oh, but I don't want that letter. Let's go back. Let's do black. Yeah, I think black will look good. All right, so let's type in keep being creative, exclamation point, return. Now right here I can move it and change the size of it. I think I'm going to put it, let's do right there. Okay. Yay! So here's my Eevee standing in grass saying keep being creative. Woo. When you're done with this, you can take a screenshot or you can go to the arrow, the square with the arrow going out to save your image. And that way it will be easier to upload. Okay. I do not want notifications. There we go. All right, guys. So you can submit more than one idea if you have more than one idea for your inspirational posters. And I'll be picking out a few posters to print out in big poster paper and to laminate and put up around our school. So this is a great opportunity to get your art displayed for all to see. Till next time, class, keep being creative.